Join me as I reveal and put to the test these essential survival secrets. You won't believe what I have in store for you. Only 10% of people know what to do in a survival situation, which means 90% of us are left unprepared and vulnerable. When it comes to emergency situations, knowing essential survival secrets can truly be a matter of life and death. That's why I'm excited to share with you some critical skills that everyone should know. We've all heard the saying, expect the unexpected, but when it comes to emergencies, this phrase couldn't be more true. One minute you're hiking through the woods, the next you're facing a raging wildfire. One minute you're driving home from work, the next you're stuck in a snowbank. The fact is, emergencies can strike at any moment, and being unprepared can be devastating. You see, most people underestimate the power of Mother Nature and overestimate their ability to survive in the wilderness. This dangerous combination can lead to catastrophic consequences. In emergency situations, panic and fear can set in quickly, causing us to make irrational decisions that can further jeopardize our safety. But what if I told you that with the right skills and knowledge, you can stay calm, think clearly, and increase your chances of survival? It's true, and it all starts with understanding the essential survival secrets that can make a significant difference in a life or death situation. Let's talk about starting a fire without matches. This is a critical skill that can help you stay warm, signal for help, and even purify water. One method is to use a magnifying glass to focus the sun's rays onto a small area, generating heat that can eventually spark a flame. Another way is to use a piece of flint and steel to create sparks that can ignite a fire. And if all else fails, you can even use a battery and some steel wool to generate a spark. Finding clean water in the wild is another essential survival secret. Did you know that you can purify water using just a plastic bottle and some sand? It's true, and it's a game changer for anyone stuck in the wilderness. And what about building a makeshift shelter? With just a few branches and some cordage, you can create a shelter that will keep you dry and protected from the elements. But of all the survival secrets out there, there's one that stands head and shoulders above the rest. It's the secret to staying calm and focused in the face of danger. You see, when we're faced with an emergency situation, our bodies go into fight or flight mode, releasing a surge of adrenaline that can cloud our judgment and lead to poor decision-making. But what if I told you that with the right mindset, you can stay calm, think clearly, and make rational decisions that can save your life? It's true, and it all starts with understanding the psychology of survival. You see, when we're faced with danger, our brains are wired to respond in one of two ways. We either freeze and do nothing, or we panic and make reckless decisions. But what if I told you that there's a third option? A way to stay calm, focused, and in control, even in the face of danger. It's a mindset that requires practice and training, but trust me, it's worth it. So there you have it, folks, the essential survival secrets that can make a significant difference in a life or death situation. From starting a fire without matches to staying calm in the face of danger, these skills are critical for anyone who wants to increase their chances of survival. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more survival tips and secrets, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. And if you have any essential survival secrets of your own, be sure to share them in the comments below.